Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two different ways to find someone on Facebook by phone number. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So the first way how you can do that is to open your Facebook application. Then at the bottom right you need to click on your profile image button. Then at the top right you need to click on the settings icon. And then you need to click on the account center option. After that, you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find account settings section and then click on the your information and permissions option. Here it is. And then at the bottom of the screen you need to click on the upload contacts button. Then you need to choose your account, for example this one, Facebook account, and then you need to enable this option, upload contacts. So after that your contacts will be automatically uploaded from your phone to this Facebook application. So this is the first way how you can do that. So there is another way how you can find someone on Facebook by phone number. All you need to do is to close your Facebook application and then open your browser. After that you need to click on the search button and then type Facebook forgot password. After that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and click on this link, forgot password, can't log in. After that you will see this interface. All you need to do is to for example enter some phone number. For example in my situation I will enter my own phone number and then click on the continue button. After that you will see all the accounts with this phone number. So you can see their name and their profile image button. So all you need to do is to go to your Facebook application again, and then in this interface at the home page you need to click on the search icon at the top right and then type this name. So after that you will see account with this name and this profile image button. So all you need to do is to go to the right one profile and add him or send him some message. So and that's all, and that's two ways to find someone on Facebook by phone number. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.